channel. My name is Brooke. If you don't know, I do a ton of fashion content as well as health and nursing videos. So while I have you here, please hit that subscribe button. Today I'm going to be doing a fashion review on some athleisure apparel. Kim Kardashian, she is the founder, the owner of SKIMS. She dropped a athletic apparel fitness wear recently, and I got some, so I'm gonna open it. I haven't opened it at all. We'll go through a review, we'll go through everything. I ended up getting the leggings and a tank, and it seems like there is, which I had never heard of, a athletic apparel company called SKIMS. So she collaborated with them to create like a compression type feeling for athletic clothing. So, you know, her stuff sometimes can be a little pricey. I got the leggings, and the leggings were $110, and I got the compression tank, which was $78. I got the color gunmetal, which is like a gray, and she has two other colors. Usually her stuff sells out pretty quickly, but there's still some stuff that hasn't been sold out, so there's still like, you know, the medium and largest. So if I were you, make sure you go check that out, and let me show you what I got. I'm really hoping that these are good. I like some of her SKIMS stuff and others not a fan of, but let's see. Ooh. Okay, this is cute. Like, this is the gunmetal color that I was telling you about. And I saw that the fabric, it is made of 75% nylon and about 25% spandex. I feel this is gonna be stretchy. So on the back it says SKIMS, and it has an S on the lower end, and I think that's the skins. Like I said, I've never heard of them. No, it says machine wash cold, gentle cycle, wash with light colors, do not bleach, do not tumble dry, do not iron, do not dry clean. So I guess you have to hang dry. Ooh. And these are the leggings. They're high-waisted. I got a size medium for the top and bottom. Like I said, this is SKIMS, and then SKINS, made in Madagascar. Interesting. And then here is the SKINS symbol on the leg. And yeah, I'm gonna go try these on so you guys can see them on me, and we'll do the squat test and all that jazz. Okay, so I have them on, and looks wise, they look great. They look super cute on. I can definitely see and feel the compression. It kind of conforms to your body and holds and supports your fat well, so it makes you look good. Like I said, this is a medium in the top and bottom, and the support wise for the tank, I do not have a bra underneath. I don't have anything on underneath, and I feel like it's maybe medium support. So I feel like if you're going to be doing a lot of running and a lot of like jumping, I think that you should probably wear like a sports bra underneath. And let me stand up so you can see what it looks like. So it kind of forms very well, holds your fat. Something that I'm not too sure on, I haven't obviously worked out in it yet. I do Orange Theory, so I'm gonna wear it to Orange Theory, and I will let you guys know how it went. I will probably put it in the comments. I'm not too sure about these seams, like the inseams, because I'm like pigeon-toed and I have big thighs, so my thighs sit closer together. I'm curious, like the quality of these, like how long will they last compared to my Lululemons. My Lululemons they're really good quality. They last a long time, you know, because my thighs rub together. And this is the inseams I'm talking about. I'm not sure how good of a quality they are. Let me see. And I did notice like a tiny camel's toe, so, but I mean, they're still cute. Oh, let's do the squat test. So, looks good. They're not very transparent, which is good, so you are free to squat in them. So overall, I did enjoy this purpose. So far, I do like them. I'm gonna check out how they do during my workouts. I mean, they definitely get an A+ for athleisure, the look. It's very flattering and it feels great. Now, I mean, this is a big comparison, but now would I say, do I like them better than my Lululemons? No, I mean, if I had to choose between Lululemon and this, I would definitely still stick with the Lululemon, but I am very pleased. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys. I'll see you next time on some fashion reviews. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you have some of these. Be sure to let me know what you think in the comments, and make sure you subscribe and follow me on Instagram. I'll see you guys later. Bye.